The Armor All-Wet Dry Vacuum VO408S is versatile, handling both wet and dry messes with ease. Its powerful 3-peak horsepower motor ensures efficient cleaning for any type of debris. The 4-gallon stainless steel tank minimizes the need for frequent emptying during use. Maneuverability is enhanced by its compact design and rotating caster wheels, making it easy to transport. With integrated hose and accessory storage, it keeps everything organized and within reach. A convenient blower function adds extra utility, perfect for clearing leaves or debris.